See, on traders who are looking for explosive moves off of this type of a pattern, I believe forgot context. You know, the context, in my opinion, is that, you know, certainly we're at lunch and we're at new yearly highs, and we're trying to test them. It's very, very difficult once we get up to that neck of the woods to expect a lot more out of it. This is why I said be very careful about thinking that this thing has to run just because we break out the top. And I said I thought that it would be very difficult to assume that we're just going to have anything that's going to just pound up there. So I think traders who are looking for that miss that idea big time. The squeeze type trade, but look where we are. Look where we've come. You got to put it into context. So it doesn't mean that it's easy to break it down, but it sure doesn't mean that it's easy to, you know, just pound up there and just keep rocking and rolling. And if you're looking at something like our 15-minute chart, you can see it. You know, we could still pull backwards and still not break support. So that's why I said I'm giving a slight edge to the longs, but not to go, you know, crazy. And the whole key this afternoon now will be obviously a little bit more penetration backside if we can get it. Still have the gaps and whatever. If we stall and can't break out, we could just chop some more. But not very good opportunities in the ES today, that's for sure. But we did guess right on the pattern. That I can say we did. I told you earlier I thought this was a squeeze type pattern and to bump stops, and that's exactly what's happened. And basically what we're doing is trying to make this area from yesterday, the high zone, as a rotational pivot now. So squeeze type trading, and in my opinion, very difficult. Sometimes we'll get the breakout we said at lunchtime, and then we could pull right back in. That's what we did. And so far, nothing conclusive. All we know is that the grind continues as long as these traders are trapped. And my advice, don't be a hero today. We guessed right. I said you really can't trade it. If you are, you're nuts. But if you put something on and then just hang on to a trailer and say, I think I'm going to get something, if you wait this long to get that, you're going to take your profits quickly. And if you don't, then I'd be surprised. I said, okay, here's my paycheck. Let me take it. So for now, still above the blue line. Still a squeeze type trade until we rotate and come over and under. And the 10-minute chart, we said, is certainly in play beneath us, so that's why I'm not expecting any big plunge. And I think ahead of news tomorrow, my guess is that, you know, traders who are caught will feel the pain, and I'm thinking that somebody might want to take some profits ahead of that. So by end of day, anything that you make long side, make sure you cover. That's my advice. Okay, see you in a few minutes.